Today I am going to tell you a story about glaucoma. The name of the story is The Silent Thief. Once upon a time, there was a beautiful town called Vishanadu. Every house in the town was a different part of the eye. The cornea was the clear front gate, the lens was the beautiful chandelier inside the town, and inside, deep inside the town, lived Mr. Optic Nerve, who is the most important messenger to transfer all the information that he sees to the brain. Mr. Optic Nerve was hardworking. He never complained and he worked continuously with informations relaying from the town to the brain. But Vishanadu had an enemy, a thief, a silent thief, a thief who didn't break any windows, who left no trace. His name was Glaucoma. Glaucoma didn't rush. He entered very silently through the town, through the drainage pipes where all the eye fluid was supposed to drain, and gradually, over a period of years, all the drainage pipes became blocked, and the pressure inside the town went up very high like a dam. Mr. Optic Nerve felt this pressure first. At first, he lost a few of his messengers. That means a few of the side vision was lost. But Vishanadu didn't feel anything. They could still see clearly. There was no watering, no redness, no pain. So Vishanadu carried on as before. As months turned into years, glaucoma stole more and more of the peripheral vision. But the Vishanadu people still did not notice. But gradually, over a period of years, they started losing the side vision. They started to bump into objects. They started to miss steps. And also they couldn't see motorbikes coming from the side. But they could still see the central part of the vision. So they assumed nothing was wrong. One day Mr. Optic Nerve cried out, "Please help." He was tired, he was thinning, he was weak, and he whispered, "Please help." Only then did the people of the Vishanadu rush to the eye doctor, who was the town's architect. The doctor examined the town, Vishanadu, the eye, and he said, "If you had come earlier, we could have at least saved more of the messengers of the optic nerve. But still there is hope. We can still save the optic nerve." For some, he gave eye drops, so that brought the pressure down. And for some, he made a small little trapdoor called the laser trabeculoplasty. And for some, he made an alternative arrangement to drain the fluid from the eye. It's called a trabeculectomy. So that way, the pressure was brought down and the glaucoma was kept at bay. With regular checkups, Mr. Optic Nerve stabilized. The thief was kept outside. But everyone learned an important lesson. Vision disappears permanently if the glaucoma thief steals it. But it can still be cured with timely treatment. From that day, the people of the Vishanadu taught every new resident a lesson. After 40, check your eyes regularly for glaucoma. If there is glaucoma in the family, you should start the checkups earlier. Don't wait for the symptoms of the glaucoma to start, because glaucoma never knocks on the doors. And that's how the town perfected its eyesight, not with fear, but with awareness.